wanna go somewhere with you right now. Close your eyes when we walk into this place. I want you to close your eyes. We're going to the shopping center. You have your basket, I have my basket. We're gonna shopping, you and me. Boys to boys and girls to girls, we are going shopping today. But we all have to close our eyes when we walk in the shop, you and me. Now please, if you come in the shop, you close your eyes. Try to take something, you know where it's standing. You've been to the shop many times, you know where everything is. So now we're gonna close our eyes. We're going in the shop, we're going to shopping, and we go to the cashier and pay for the things we take. They say, open your eyes. We say no, we are just sleepwalking. We don't want to look. We take our favorite things and we're coming to pay you. We're gonna pay you, and you can attend to us, please. Today we don't wanna open our eyes to see. No, we don't want to see. No. Okay, tomorrow we're going to the shop again. This time we're gonna close our mouth and we close our nose. We're going to shop without the wind this time, but our eyes is open. I say to you, close your nose, and I close my nose. We're going to the shop to buy the things. We don't need the wind this time, so we open our eyes. We cannot take a while. No, we cannot take a while. Hey, 'cause you and me, we can go to the shop with our eyes closed, but we have